We continue with the lesson 1 from where we left. Pour communiquer, for communication. Pour demander nom. Vous appelez comment or comment est-ce que vous appelez? Pour répondre, je m'appelle Paul Lenoir. Paul Lenoir. We continue. Monsieur, votre nom, s'il vous plaît, prénom Lenoir. The prénom is Paul. Ton nom Lenoir. Prénom Roger. Âge. Vous avez quel âge? You know, with the âge, you ask with avoir. Vous avez quel âge? J'ai 23 ans. 23 ans. Votre date de naissance. Your date of birth. Le 27 novembre 1989. 1989. Now we have learnt ER verbs. You know that verbs can be classified into 3 types: ER, IR and RE. Verbs ending with ER, IR and RE. You have already learnt ER ending verbs. Now we shall be learning second type, that is IR verbs conjugation. Verbs regular, le deuxième groupe au présent. Group second is ending with IR. So here with IR is replaced with je it is replaced with IS, with you it is replaced with IS, with ill or L it is replaced with IT. Okay, then with nu it ends with ISSONS. Who ISSEZ, and ills or else it ends with ISSENT. Now for example, we take the verb finir, FINIR, finir. The verb finir. So it becomes je finis. Je finis, FINIS. Je finis mon histoire. Avec now tu finis, FINIS, ton travail dimanche. Elles ont fini examen demain, FINIT. FINIT. And nous finissons, FINISSONS. Nous finissons la leçon aujourd'hui. We finish our lesson today. Vous finissez votre rédaction de ce soir. Rédaction ce soir. You finish your you finish your drafting or your writing this evening. It's a question mark. Do you finish this? Okay, and ils finissant les exercices samedi. They male and they female finish the exercises Saturday. So of course when vowel is there, you put J apostrophe in the order. As you remember, you put with Jabit. Now IR verbs, the verbs of second group, IR verbs are applaudir, to applaud, avertir is to warn. Benir is to bless. Choisir to choose. Guérir is to cure or recover. Grandir is to grow big. Grossir is to become fat. Jaunir is to turn yellow. You have obeir. Obeir is to obey. Punir to punish. Remplir to fill. Reunir to unite or to gather. Réussir means to succeed or to pass. Réussir son examen. Réussir l'examen. Pass the examination. Rougir is to turn red or to blush. Vieillir is to grow old. Viellir. So these are IR verbs. Now they will be conjugating just like finir. We take one of the example, choisir. It becomes choisis, je choisis, CHOSIS. Tu choisis, CHOISIS. Then il choisit, CHOISIT. Then nous choisissons, CHOISISSONS. Then vous choisissez, CHOISISSEZ. Then ils choisissent, CHOISISSENT. So this is how one of I have done it. Similarly, you can do it for other verbs. You conjugate, they will conjugate in a similar fashion. Now here we are going to use these verbs. La phrase avec le verbe en IR. This is the IR means. Ma mère choisit une robe. So you have seen ma mère is a third person singular. So it is CHOISIT. My mother chooses one dress. Le prêtre bénit les enfants. The priest, prêtre is a priest, bénit, IT means blesses les enfants, blesses the children. Elle remplit le verre avec de la eau. She fills up the glass with water. Avec de l'eau, with water. Les enfants obéissent à leurs parents. The parents obey their parents. Okay? Obéir verb. Il réussit à l'examen. Okay? He passes the examination. Les feuilles jaunissent. The leaves become yellow. The leaves jaunissent. Jaunir is the verb JAUNIR. So les feuilles jaunissent. The leaves turn yellow. Les gens applaudissent. Okay? Les gens applaudissent. The people, they cheer up, applaud, they applaud. So they cheer up. This is IR. Now, these are all regular verbs. IR, regular verbs. So, nous finissons, finir, verb, regular. Okay. Now we have irregular verb. Irregular verbs come in IR. Like vanir, you already studied vanir in 6th standard. Vanir, and then we have in this class, we have Ravanir to come back, Davanir to become, Tanir is to hold. A partner, to bring, to belong. Obtenir is to obtain, and retenir is to retain. So how they will conjugate? They conjugate in a verb IR irregular way. Here it is VIENS, je viens avec lui. It is viens, VIENS, tu VINS, VIENS, and il, on, VIENT. Tu viens au théâtre. Are you coming to theatre? Il, on vient de Mumbai. He, she, or one comes from Mumbai. Nous venons de la maison, VENONS. De la maison, we come from the house. Vous venez avec John? Are you coming with John? Vous venez. Else, Vienna, VIENNENT. So these are the irregular IR verb. So these are the verbs they are going to conjugate in the same fashion. For example, tanir, it will be tiyan, 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 tano, tane, tiyana. Just like we have viyan, 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 vano, vane, vienna. So you can take any one. For example, obtenir, obtient, 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 obteno, obtene, obtiene. So this is how their IR irregular conjugation. Now we use here same verbs, la phrase avec le verbe irrégulier en IR is else vient avec son copain. She comes with her friend. La femme tient la tasse. The lady, the woman, holds the cup. La tasse, holds the cup. Now we have gone into this adjective possessive. We had learnt last year also. Again we can learn. For my, it is mon, ton, son, son. These are all used with either masculine, singular, or they are also used with, all vowel, whether it is feminine also. Feminine also, when starting with vowel, it is mon. Ton, when it starts with vowel. For example, mon écoule, ton écoule. Okay, son éléphant, son enfant, her child. Also use son enfant, whether it is child of his or her, it is son, because it starts with vowel. Okay, because son élève, masculine or feminine will come son. Now then, notre, ours, votre, yours, leur, theirs, okay. In feminine also this notre, votre, leur, same, but otherwise if it's starting with consonant, the feminine singular converts into ma, ta, sa. Ma mer, ta mer, sa mer, okay, sa sir. These are all used with this feminine are used like this. Only when there is a vowel, they becomes mon, ton, son. Feminine remains same. Now in plural, for masculine or feminine, mon or ma becomes me. Ton, ta becomes te. Son, sa becomes says. Whether vowel or any word. If it is plural, it has to go with me, te, se. Nose, notre becomes nos, nose in plural, vos, vos in plural. Lurs, there. So this is what we have learnt as adjective possessive. Adjective possessive. Now For ami, it is mon ami instead of even though ami AMIE is feminine, but it becomes mon ami. École is feminine, so it becomes ton école. Son étudiante, even if it is feminine, it will come son. Otherwise, sa mère, son père. Right? Now here, c'est mon ami Akash. Il est petit, mais son père est grand. It is, Roger, it is my friend Akash. He is small, but his father is tall, grand. Akash. C'est ma sœur. It is my sister. This is my sister Rohini. Elle est indienne. She is Indian. Mais ses amis sont françaises. But her friends are françaises. Amis, feminine friends. AMIES. Amis, friends. Sont françaises. Similarly, masculine va. Ce sont mes collègues. These are my colleagues who are working with him. Ils sont intelligents. They are intelligent. Leurs enfants, their children. Leurs enfants, their children sont aussi intelligents. Their children are also intelligent. Now, Madame Verma, nous sommes indiens. We are Indians. Notre pays est grand. Our country is big. Nos cultures, because this is a plural, so it has become NOS. Our cultures sont diverse, different. Nos cultures sont diverse, different. Then next is, here it is, Monsieur Verma, c'est ta voiture. It is your car. C'est ta voiture. It is your car. It is a question. Monsieur Anwar, oh oui. Oh yes. C'est ma voiture. This is my car. C'est une Renault. It is a Renault car. It is une Renault. Now complétez avec le mot donné. C'est mon ami sont censés. C'est mon ami, c'est SES, ses parents sont français. His parents are French. C'est plural, parents are plural, so it's become SES. Now here, sa mère, his mother, sa mère. Et son père, his father, son médecin or doctor. Mon mamelas, c'est mon oncle. Mon oncle. Et ma tante, my auntie. My uncle and my auntie. Mes enfants. Normally it should be because it's MES. So mes enfants, my children. Mes enfants sont leurs cousins. LEURS, leurs cousins. Their cousins. Now complétez avec l'adjectif possessive à votre choix. Mon professeur est sympa because masculine is mon, my. Jardin is masculine, son jardin. Mon père, my father, travaille à Nice. Ta tante, your auntie. Sa montre, montre is feminine, so it comes to sa montre, his watch, his or her watch. It will come same, sa montre. And then cheveux, cheveux is plural, masculine, comes leurs cheveux, their hair. or we can call Meshav or Teshav, or your hair. Ma, this is wrong. Monakul should be Monakul. Makul is not correct. Monakul. M-O-N. Monakul a grand. Monakul a grand. M-O-N. Then we have, don't read here incorrect, the incorrect written, ma, it should be monacule. Say crayon, his or her pencils, a, sa gom. It is, gom is feminine, so it becomes his or her eraser. Son, dan, sa, okay. It should be Satrus, not say it is Dan Trus, Satrus. Trus is feminine. Dan Satrus in his or her pencil box. Ce sont les stylos. These are the pens de sa cousine. His cousin, his or her cousin, sa cousin, that's a feminine cousin. L'enfant de mon oncle, the child of my uncle, et mon cousin, my cousin, M-O-N, is a masculine. If it is with E, it would have been ma cousin, like this, sa cousin. So it is mon cousin, masculine. Completely avec adjective, possessive. C'est la amie de Jeffy, is a friend of Jaffi. Since maison is feminine, comes sa maison, a grande. His house is big, sa maison. Maison is feminine. El habite avec sa famille. Her family, sa famille. Famille is feminine, so it is sa famille. C'est Paula, this is Paula. Ses parents, her parents sont riches. Her parents are rich. S-E-S, parents are plural. Elle finit is not correct, should be son devoir. Devoir is masculine, so it should be elle finit son devoir, S-O-N. Son devoir, S-O-N. I have book where it's already written in pencil, so some mistakes are there. So elle finit, she finishes son devoir, S-O-N, because devoir is masculine. It should be S-O-N. Son devoir de français. Her French homework. Tu commences ton travail. You start your work. La grand-mère. La grand-mère raconte une histoire à. It is not sa is not correct. It should be say, S-E-S. Now, histoire is not say, S-A-S-E-S. Should be S-E-S. S-E-S. Say petits enfants. Well, petit enfant, they are all masculine. It is plural, so it is S-E-S. Say petit enfant. Her grandchildren. Petits enfants is grandchildren. La grand-mère raconte une histoire. The grand-mère narrates one story to her grandchildren. Say petit enfant. La femme est intelligente. The lady is intelligent, mais. Here it should be son enfant. it should be son enfant. Son enfant est aussi intelligent. Her child is also intelligent. Since enfant is masculine as well as vowel also, so it has to come son enfant. Le livre est bleu, mais tes pages sont blancs. The book is blue, but no, it should be not te. Should be se page. That of the book. So book is masculine. But page are plural, so it becomes SCS. So her page, her pages, his pages, book, the pages of the book, say pages, sont blancs. Its pages are blue, white. Sorry, white. Its pages are white. Tu remplis ton cahier. You fill up your notebook. Je travaille dur dans ma classe. Okay, I work hard. Je travaille dur. Dur means hard. Dans ma classe, in my class. Now these are some verbs given. You have to conjugate for je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles. Réussi, rougi, and choisi. Like it should be réussi with IS, then IS, IT, then nous, usison, double SI, double SONS. Here GI, double SEZ for woo. And for ils, elles, it should be choisissant, CHOISI, double SENT. Now, cocher la bonne réponse. Tu should be fini, FINIS. Tu finis le déjeuner. You finish your lunch. Nous should be remplissons. We fill up les fiches, the identity, the inscription. We fill up the registration list. Registration list. Registration form. Now, nous, Nina should be obey. Third person, AOBEIT, obey, a sa mère. Nina obeys her mother. Vous applaudissez, you applaud. Après la film, after the film. Nous should be venons the Mumbai. We come from Mumbai. Nous venons. Ils réussissant à l'examen. They pass the examination. Je tiens ma tasse. I hold my cup. Tiens. Not with T. This is not correct. This is the correct. Tiens. TIENS. Je tiens ma tasse. Just like viens. Les amis. The third person plural. Yeah. Les amis réunissant. They collect. They get together. Réunissant. They get together. Après long term. After long time. Réunissant. Now here. Corrigez les fautes. Il remplit. Here it should be T. Il remplit because third person singular. Il remplit sac. Sac is masculine, so it should be mon sac. M-O-N. Il remplit mon sac avec mes livres. M-E-S. Because it is plural livre. So it should be mes livres. M-E-S. Now B, L, it should be ye réunis. U-N-I-T. Should be T here, not S, double S-E-Z. Should be T here. Après 5 ans. L, réunis. She gets together after 5 years. Okay. Q, par. Should be P-A-R-S. Okay. Par, P-A-R-S, not T. Avec ta cousin, T-A, T-A, ta cousin, because cousin is feminine, it has to be ta cousin and starts with consonant also. It should be ta cousin. Q, par with S, avec ta cousin. Les parents, here it is third person plural, so it should be punissant. P-U-N-I-S-S-E-N-T. Punissant. Here it should be, because this is plural, so it has to be, this is also plural, so it has to be leurs enfants. Their children. Leurs, L-E-U-R-S. Leurs enfants. Who? Vane avec ta mère. Should be vane here, V-E-N-E-Z. Vous venez avec ta mère. Mon ami. Ami, there should not be S here. Mon ami revient le soir. Since it's a third person, so it has to be revient. Yeah, it should be mes amis is plural, then it should be reviennent. V-I-N-N-E-N-T. If it is mes, M-E-S. So mon ami, you remove S, so mon ami revient le soir. L'enfant grandit should be third person, so it should be grandit. Here should be T. Grandit très vite. The child grows very fast. Il averti should be averti with IT. Averti son étudiant. Although this is feminine, because since it is starting with vowel, it has to be son étudiant. Son étudiant. Okay? These are very simple.